Good evening. I wanted to take the time to make a video showing another strategy that I use to trade. Um, I am using right now GU because it's trading at 85%. And so for my entry, I'm going to use the candles first. And this is what I actually call the my switch strategy. You're basically going back and forth between the candle chart and the tick chart. In my opinion, it makes it easier for you to see the direction of the market in which it's going, the direction of the pair, and it cuts down on guessing and mistakes that you could possibly make. Um, I'm at, I guess, maybe about, I'm at 85% for the day for sure. So here we go. On the trading tool, I'm entering at 78% and I'm using a sequence of 148 for my trading. So the first number I put in is 1. Trading $1, and basically for each session I'm making $50, and then I log off and give myself a break for 30 minutes to an hour. That way I'm not trading straight through. If the market shifts or whatever, I'm not in any danger of losing my money. So we're looking for 78% here on the trading tool. 78%, we're going to take a call. And the next trade that we take is going to be on the candle chart. And I'm going from $1 to 4. As I said, I trade a sequence of 148. And that just keeps me low. That way, if I need to double up, I'm not at risk of losing $1,600. Okay, we're currently winning that trade. It'll run out at 18 seconds. Not quite there yet. We won that trade. So next trade is $4. Still showing green and red here. It hadn't really made a decision, but because the market is in a looks like it's moving down, I'm going to go ahead and take a put. And as you see that the candle was once up here, but it pulled back to here, that is an indication letting you know that it was in a downtrend. The next trade will be on the tick chart, and that trade will be at $8. Looking for 78% on the entry here. $79 on the call. I'm going to take an $8 call. That trade was won, and because I'm running a sequence of 148, my next trade will be $1. And I'm going back over to the candles. Current candle is green, so we're going to take a call. Next trade will be at $4 and it will be on the trading tool. Looking for 78% entry. We got the call at 78%. Next trade will be at $8 and I'm going to take it on the candle chart. Okay, current candle is red, so we're going to take a put at $8. And I apologize for the dead silence. Normally, I like to play music when I'm recording these videos, but I've been having issues with copyright. So because of that, I'm not doing so. All right, I lost that trade. So instead of going to 1, I'm going to $16 and I'm going back to the candle chart. Current candle is green, so I'm going to take a put. All right, and I won that trade. So my next trade would be on the candle chart and it would be at $1. And that is my switch strategy. Again, I'm trading a sequence of 1 for $8. If I miss the trade on $8, I just keep doubling up until I actually win the trade. For the actual candles, whenever the previous trade time runs out, whatever color this is, that is the direction of which I'm going to take the trade. And as far as the tick chart, this, the percentage here, 78% has been moving the actual tick or the actual dot. So my entry here, whenever I see 78%, whichever side, whether it's call or put, when 78% hits there first, that's the direction I'm going to take. And then the very next trade, I'm just alternating back and forth between the candles and the tick chart. And like I said, I've been at about 85% today. When I logged in this morning, this account was actually at $1,483. And this afternoon, I was a little bit over 1,500. Now it's at 1,677. So remember, the main thing is give yourself a plan. Decide how far you're willing to go as far as doubling up your trades. If I keep missing and I'm doubled up to 250, I'm not going to trade over $250. I just start over. Also, with trades that I've missed and I've had to double up, what I've been noticing is on the 4th or 5th trade I actually hit, and I stay with the same pair. Like I'm not going to trade GU and miss 2 GU and then go to USD SEK and then trade 3 and miss those. If you stay consistent with that pair, you're going to hit. The most that I've missed so far, I've missed 7 in a row and hit on the 8th one. So this strategy, it definitely works. But another thing is also know how much you're willing to lose. That's the main thing. I've been hearing people been blowing their account because they get frustrated. They lose 25, so they double up at 50, then they jump up to 200, and they keep losing because they're frustrated and they're not making a clear choice or a clear decision. So money management and patience is what it takes. Happy trading.